ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. We'll be discussing a very fascinating topic, that is body, mind and soul. The triad of body, mind and soul finds full expression in the prime creation of nature, that is human beings. When it works in alignment, we experience joy and bliss. Our body is our soul projecting itself physically. We are not body with a soul, but we are soul with a body. It's an abode of God. The individual identifies with the body and remains misleaded throughout his life. The false notion of ego continues to delude him. Soul is Atma and Param Soul is God. Param means supreme. God is Supreme Soul. This concept is illustrated in Sri Guru Granth Sahib as, which says, Jo Brahmande soi pinde, jo khoje so paave, pípa parnave parm tat hai, satgur hoye lakhave, which means the one who pervades the universe also dwells in the body. Those who seek, they find it. Pípa prays that Lord is Supreme Essence, and one who wants to find out can realize the same through the true Guru. Mind consists of three subdivisions: the conscious, the subconscious, and the unconscious. Conscious is generally defined as the awareness about one's thoughts, feelings, and actions. The unconscious mind is a reservoir of memories, past experiences, and the images, which is not approachable under normal circumstances. The subconscious mind is fountainhead of health, happiness, and success. It contains our previous experiences, images, and memories, and we can communicate with it when we remember the past of our life. The conscious can communicate with the subconscious through autosuggestion or through thoughts. Positive thoughts such as, I am getting better and better every day and in every way. I am healthy. So if these positive thoughts are repeated as in autosuggestions, they go to the subconscious mind. As you sow, so shall you reap is truthfully obeyed by the subconscious mind. We sow these seeds of positivity and reap a harvest of happiness and well-being. Uproot the negative thoughts such as, life is boring, I am tired of it. These thoughts create negative reactions. Visualization is the language of the subconscious mind, and visualization has strong impact as compared to the words. Imagine a mental picture, make it as vivid as possible, and imagine you are approaching the target. You have approached your aim, and thoughts like this. A very interesting German folklore depicts a miller tells the king that his daughter can spin gold out of straw. So that daughter is locked in a room, it's full of straw, and the king says, "You spin the straw into gold or face death." The second day, same thing is repeated. On the third day, the king, greedy king, comes and he locks her in a bigger room and says that if you repeat this feat, I will marry you. So during the night, again the imp comes and he helps the daughter to convert or to spin gold out of straw. However, he extracts a promise that he will take the firstborn child of this girl. Next day, the king marries, and after a year, the queen is blessed with the child. The imp comes again, and he wants to take away the child. But the queen implores that he can get as much gold as he likes, and anything perhaps, but cannot part with the child. The imp agrees with another condition, that he will let the child stay with her if she tells his name. So ultimately the imp comes and she tells the name of the imp, and the imp disappears. Very interesting story. The latest research in neuroscience reveals that only 5% of the brain power is devoted to conscious and volitional activities. The rest of the running is done behind the curtain. The subconscious mind is collaborative and creative. It can create wonders. Do not ask how, what and why, but know and believe that it will, and you will soon begin to spin gold out of straw. Our body is a temple of God. It's imperative that we should keep it clean, healthy, and pure. Moderate physical exercise is an antidote for the modern killers, that is ischemic heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Good food or nourishing food is important and can prevent various diseases. It is said that Jaisa An Vaisa Man, food has paramount influence on the thoughts, your mind, and the deeds. Food also increases your immunity. In fact, exercise is said to be meditation in motion, because both exercise and meditation, they create the same neurohormones which lead to a state of calmness, relaxation, and well-being. So, if we want to have sound mind and sound body, let us remember a quote: exercise is the king, nutrition is the queen. Bring them together and we get the kingdom of health. The trinity of body, mind, and soul finds perfect and heroic representation in the epic of Mahabharata. Chariot represents the body or the Srira. The soul is represented by Arjuna. 5 horses represent the sense organs, and the reins are representative of the working of the mind. The wheel of the chariot is righteousness or dharma. The supreme soul is Lord Krishna, and here the sleepy soul is awakened by Supreme Soul through spiritual discourses. And to reach the ultimate destination, that is self realization. Thank you very much.